Hello friends, welcome to another new video. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make a powerful organic fertilizer for any plants that is growing in water. So without wasting any time, let's start now. Let me show what are the ingredients are required for the preparation of our fertilizer. The first ingredient is nothing other than a banana peel. You have to collect a ripened banana peel for the preparation of our magical fertilizer. After collecting the banana peels, you have to make the banana peels into smaller slices using a knife or a scissor. Banana peels are a rich source of nutrients for your plants like potassium, phosphorus and calcium, along with a host of other minerals that your plants need. As the banana peels decomposes, they add potassium as well as small amount of nitrogen and phosphorus and magnesium to the water. After chopping these banana peels into smaller slices, now you have to add a little bit of water into the banana peels. Now what I am going to do is I am going to add a pinch of tea dust also into the mixture. Now you have to stir it well and make sure that the tea dust is evenly distributed. Now I am going to keep this mixture aside for 48 hours. You have to keep the container open and then you have to keep it in a place with partial shade. After 48 hours, the solution will be looking exactly like this. The solution will become more turbid, you can see here, and all the minerals and nutrients will be released into the water. Now you can use this water as a fertilizer. I am going to show you how to use this fertilizer for your water plants. As you can use this type of fertilizer for any type of indoor plants that's growing in water. You can add 10 milli of the solution into the water of the plant which you are growing during each 7 or 10 days. That's it for today. If you have any doubts, please let me in our comment section. Thanks for watching.